In this video, I'm going to explain the first part of our carb section, which is going to be fruit. So our fruit, we want to look at portion size also. So again, on the left column is the food itself, the portion, and the C's, P's, and F's. But I want you to really pay attention to a few things here. Let an apple, and banana, and an orange be your size guide. So if I have an apple, that would be 1C. If I have a banana, that would be 1C. But if I have something like an apricot, and they're small, really small apricots, we would argue that roughly 4 apricots would be the size of an apple. So that means that 4 apricots would be 1C. So if anything, when in doubt, use the apple as your size guide. If it's the size of an apple, it's 1C. If I look at a cup of fruit, that would also be about the size of an apple. So anything that requires like grapes, cherries, anything that you have to put in a cup, cut pineapple, anything like that would be 1 carb serving. The only thing that I really want to pay attention to when it comes to the ease of increasing our sugar intake very quickly in the area of fruit would be those things of dried fruit and fruit juice. These things are concentrated, so they're small and they pack a punch. So the only time that it would not fit the apple size guide would when it comes in the form of juice or dried fruit. A small handful of dried fruit would be 1 carb serving. A handful of raisins would be a 1 carb serving. So if I have a salad and I throw a handful of cranberries on there, that salad now becomes a 1 carb serving. If I throw dressing on there, now it's a 1 carb and 1 F serving. So it's just a way that we can operate under the portion guide. Fruit juice, 1 cup is also 2C. So I have a cup of orange juice, 2 carb serving due to the concentration of the sugar that we put in that. So that's what I want to, the biggest thing I want you to look at the fruit guide, size and dried fruit and the fruit juice itself.